In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the execution history in Make, a useful tool for tracking and managing your automation scenarios. Let's get started by ensuring that you're able to access your account securely and efficiently. To begin, navigate to the Make website. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice the Sign In option at the top right corner. Click on that. When you arrive at the login page, you'll see multiple options for signing in, but let's focus on using your Google account for a streamlined experience. Go ahead and click on the Continue with Google button. If you're already logged into your Google account on your browser, this will create a seamless transition into your Make dashboard. Otherwise, you'll be prompted to enter your Google credentials, so make sure you have those handy. Upon successful login, you'll land on your Make dashboard. From here, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll find a navigation panel. Look for the Scenarios link and click on it. This is where all your current and past scenarios are housed, offering you a bird's-eye view of your operations. Now that you're in the Scenario section, you'll see a list of all the scenarios you've created. Browse through them and select the specific scenario you're interested in by clicking on it. This will open up the Scenario Details page where you can edit and monitor its performance. If you have many scenarios, you might want to use the search feature or the filters to locate the one you need more quickly. Once you are in the scenario view, your next step is to access its execution history. At the top right of the scenario interface, you should see several tabs. Click on the one labeled History. This tab is your gateway to understanding how your scenario has been running and the outcomes of each execution. Inside the History tab, you'll see a chronological list of execution logs. Each entry represents an instance where your scenario ran. For more in-depth insights, select one of these entries by clicking on the Details button. This will open up detailed logs, allowing you to analyze the operations that were carried out, successes, and any errors that occurred. By regularly reviewing these details, you can ensure that your scenarios are running smoothly and make any necessary adjustments to optimize performance. Keeping a close eye on execution history helps you preemptively address issues, maintain an efficient workflow, and ensure that your automations are contributing positively to your overall objectives. And there you have it, a guide to effectively checking execution history in Make. Thanks for watching and happy automating.